got this chunk stuck in my bucket here. We'll dig a little more, see if it'll break it. It's just dirt. It's not even a rock. It's just frozen. Get a little meat there. That is one solid piece of dirt. Jeez, still not wanting to come out.
Stuck.
What I need is a rock. Squish against it.
It's still stuck.
Looks like it's gonna be with me for a little while, I guess. There it goes. You got it. Try to squish that sucker up too. That's crazy.
You got it.
That is a rock. That is a
Wow,
rock.
that was crazy.
Hit the ground, I can feel it in the machine. Alright, well that was fun.